This is a brand new 2013 Ford Explorer. This SUV has an automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and the added capability of four-wheel drive. Its top features include a twin-turbocharged forced induction system, a sport suspension, heated seats, 12 strategically positioned speakers, commercial-free satellite radio, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: roof rails, traction control and stability control systems, cruise control, leather seats, steering wheel mounted gear shifting, a rear spoiler, a security system, an anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, and aluminum wheels. This vehicle won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Bill Collins Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 4220 Bardstown Road in Louisville.